to you, Yvelle. Make we watch one music video of Yvelle. Her performance for inside. Now what for you? Now you're excited. Now you're excited.
I don't know.
Not be my excited.
I don't know. This your behavior.
Make we watch one video of Yvelle when she there for inside the heart of Nigerian Idol. When we'll come back, we'll continue with her. Yvelle, one name. How is you?
Nigerian Idol.
Fine.
It is the video.
Every night I say a prayer with a hope that there's a heaven, and every day I'm more confused as the saints turn into sinners. All the heroes and legends I knew as a child are falling to idols of clay, and I feel this lonely space inside, so afraid that I've lost my faith. Show me the way. Show me the way. Take me tonight to the river and wash my illusions away. Show me the way. Somebody show me the way. Take me tonight to the river and wash my illusions away. Show me the way. And if I feel like, tell me, should I believe? Tell me, how will I know? How will I know? Somebody, anybody, I need the direction. Take me to the river, wash my illusions away. Somebody, anybody, I need you right now. I need you right now. I need you to wash my illusions away. Every night I say a prayer with a hope that there's a heaven.
Sing am.
Okay.
What's it called this difference?
Sing.
Show me the way.
Lift your hand in worship.
Take me tonight to the river and wash my illusions away.
Put your hands
Show me the way. Show me the way.
Kawasaki Suzuki Rachidi. You get one part where life for grand. What it be that part? Wait, open leg. Oh, Janoko. Jamie, do.
She did.
But wait.
No, she did the spirit now.
But Kazim, I don't know whether only me see that thing.
Now only you.
You dey suffer for that time. Oh, see your face. Makeup not green. You know, say, you get how you go suffer. You get go suffer, so pan rich. Makeup self, not they used to your face.
Nah, no, you know that kind of thing. Now you go good for studio daily picture. If you don't see your studio daily, how you be before? In case of that picture where you go hide your face.
No, my studio are fine now. I fine, they mad. I fine.
All of
die.
us fine now. All of us
Ah, but
fine.
get out. You.
Imagine you do with that, baby.
I be there be a since now. Everything without be a since now.
No, they could just be like lost child.
Lost.
They could be like who could just sit down for one day. Go say, me will take picture.
You can't do like it. You can't like it.
No, but Yvelle, what, you know, say, it be like say you don't yellow small pass for that place from that time to this time.
Maybe small.
We don't need to do AC.
See,
Fresh.
she don't need the AC. See, to tell you,
No, you just say she know they bleach.
Wait, bleaching cream not go work for her body. Now, why I tell you
No,
bleaching
she can't lose weight.
Katim,
Be like
wait.
say she can't lose
Why I
weight.
tell you bleaching cream not go work for her body? Now, how many years you don't do now?
1 year.
1 year. AC. You go down there for AC. Why? Give her from Norway. Good evening.
Hello.
How is you?
I greet you, Nadu.
My brother, we greet you too. How is the ministry?
Everything is fine. Katima, I greet you. Easy to
I
greet
agree
you.
you.
Yes, boss. Good evening.
Would they hear you talk to us?
Yeah. I want answer that question for Shakara show.
Then who go come collect this? Now from Norway, you go from.
No, Nadu. I get one of my cousins wait till
No,
go
but
collect.
now
am.
for
Oh yeah, answer. No problem, answer.
was there Nigeria?
For comedy na AY, then for musician Chichaboga.
Why be saying a woman you see for musician? Why?
He ain't get them. Now later you go even find out self.
Anyway, give her, you go find out whether you get them or not. Later, before the end of the show, you go find out whether you get them or not. Ngwana?
Thank
All right,
you.
I think give you number of my cousin if I get am finally so that I would have connected.
No problem. Make you call. We go off your now. Then make you talk to the person where they talk for phone. Give the person number. The person go hold the number. Nobody give our controller where they handle the phone. He go give you give her the phone number. Thank you very much. Ngwa good night. Now we not good night. I been a good morning.
Oh, joy.
Now why they say bleaching not they work for our body? 1 year. Person where they take AC for house, for motor, for bathroom, toilet, kitchen, AC everywhere. His skin supposed to change. Bleaching cream not work for this girl body. Now, Katim, let us tell her what she's going to use in case she won't use. In case she won't bleach. Give her that our handle. Oh yeah, give her.
Carry your pen and paper because Mkpa say very
No, she's smart. She go remember.
that we do this thing.
We don't do this. We don't usually give people this thing. Now because they would like you. Now because we'll give you this bleach so that you go feel bleach. Be like Cynthia Morgan and Tonto Dike.
And you could just stay uniform with all your body.
You go there uniform with your body.
So no go no self say you dey bleach.
For all this your place. You know, some people they say if you bleach for your bum then go no. This one
For
nobody
this
go
one,
no.
Everything dey uniform. You go market at 2:33 p.m. sharp.
Waiting be the time.
2:33 p.m.
Okay.
PM. You go buy uku leaf.
Okay.
You go see, make sure you buy them from one black thin woman.
Ugu leave. Ugu leave.
You go buy them for 25 naira.
25 naira ugu leave.
25 naira uku leaf. Then when you come back, on the way back, branch filling station. Then they say you want collect kerosene, undiluted kerosene.
See what they talk?
Undiluted kerosene.
Okay.
On the way back, branch pharmacy say you want 2 Panadol, not Panadol extra, Panadol. Panadol. They will tie it in black nylon.
3 things. More talk from Malaysia. From Malaysia, Cindy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. How is you, yeah?
No, give me time. Come make easy.
I cool. How is you too?
We do. How is Malaysia?
Yeah, Marisha is good.
What did they make you laugh? Who they touch you there?
Maybe she go donate her organ.
I told you they make me laugh.
Yay.
2 of us or
Who 2 of us, huh?
Maybe easy they make you laugh.
Now, Yvelle, I been a Katim, I been a Easy Beat.
You and Katim, 2 of a combination characters.
Hey, oh yeah, now Cindy, will they hear you?
Yeah.
Talk to us today now. You want win ticket
to
too?
Easy Bit?
Abi, you want talk to Yvelle?
So Easy Bit, yeah. I want win ticket for Easy Bit.
For easy.
Oh yeah.
Okay, for the comedian.
You see her?
For the comedy role,
Easy don't die.
yeah.
You never answer anything. They say yeah, oh yeah. You give me what is
Don't
yeah?
stop saying you want to talk to Easy.
Don't stop saying you want to talk to Easy Beat.
See Easy
And
there
then
here.
for the comedy, Akoro, then music, ice cream.
Easy there here. Ngwanu.
I
So
talk to
your
Easy
body can
Beat.
come there, hey.
Hi.
Hi, Cynthia. Good evening.
Too high, you. Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And you guys are just so awesome. Like,
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much.
Nedu, what you they talk here?
Nothing.
No, well,
Alright.
now we just say thank you. Thank you, say call us. So, God bless
For making me
you.
happier.
Thank you.
Thank you, Cynthia.
Good night,
Yeah.
sir.
Hey,
He
mami.
don't do now, they go. Ah,
Good night.
good night.
I don't know, dear.
Okay, Emelegeme.
I don't know. Monitoring spirit.
Continue. Ugu. Okay, make her continue. See, she goes to make it say Ugu.
25
Kerosene.
naira, 2:33 p.m.
Then 2 at 3 p.m.
Undiluted kerosene.
No, see, let's deal with the materials.
Okay.
You see, Ugu. Make sure say you dry the Ugu. When you reach house, you see 3 things which she make you get. Ugu,
Yes.
kerosene, then
Panadol,
Panadol.
yeah.
She forget now 2 other things remain. Carbide.
Thank you.
Look for carbide. Grind the carbide. Then mix some. Then look for ever water bottle.
Yeah.
Not be the medium one, the
yes.
big one.
Yeah.
Ever water bottle. Then put them inside. Then you remain one thing again. Easy bit, give me that thing.
How long?
Alum.
Alomo.
Grind alum.
What is that? Then
Shake them,
Yeah.
shake them. Leave them for 2 days.
You're good.
Then after that 2
that's what
days,
you used to be.
wait. After that 2 days,
Yes.
drink in the morning from slide from Italy.
Ankeke, I don't know dear.
Hello.
Italo.
Hello.
Silly
Hey, Salivia, let's give me cool.
Nedu.
Hey.
Are you with me?
Now I'm with you. How Italy today?
Italy cool. They were.
Hey, speak Italian language. Me, master, I speak Italian language. Speak it to me.
Come state?
Hello, Shawutache. Hey, Shawutache.
Tutto no?
La bene.
Sta bene.
Chabene, you know now, we know ourselves.
Ned, are you with me?
Now with you, Chabene.
How are you doing?
You want to talk to us? You want to talk to Ivela? You want to talk to Katiba? Be na easy busy too.
No, no, Missy Beat. I'm gay. You want me to go 14 years back?
We don't know now.
My brother would check these days. We don't know who be there and left.
Harry. They do.
Eh?
You know, because how are you? You know, say you know my best friend. I like it. I enjoy your talk.
Okay.
You want hammer me?
Won't holla you.
Okay. Oh, thank you. I holla you too. Hey, my fear don't catch me now. Slay, thank you.
Oh, so the first time.
I want hammer you. Fear don't catch me. I cover my bum because. Now, shake those things, then drink them. 1 spoon in the
Drink
morning,
it, yeah.
1 spoon in the afternoon, 1 spoon.
Works from within.
At the time, from
Yes, so.
inside, Beyonce not go reach you. Nicki Minaj not reach you at all.
You got a Bible.
And when your voice, when it is, your voice gonna do.
Yeah. Yeah. It go clear from
Time
inside.
don't finish. You don't ask Ivel anything again.
We don't finish.
Ivel, we'll get 3 minutes. Just the talk. Anything we want to talk. Just the talk.
Any new project?
Just the
you know,
talk. Any
just-
project, what you get for hand,
Man,
what you
I get
expect.
plenty projects, plenty projects. Like,
You don't
know,
fake,
say this
so.
so fine. You're not funny at all. We got to do something. So I get one new single out. Where did they call? What I call Kilimanjaro.
Okay.
Okay, that song now as a result of the kind hustle where I don't start from.
Mountain.
Yeah, so they try to relate where I won't be with Mountain Kilimanjaro. I think anywhere the only place where I pass on my mind at Kilimanjaro. Now why that song come out? So you guys should check out that song.
Okay.
I get one performance video for the song with the YouTube. If you check out www.youtube.com/Evel Music TV. Evel is spelled EVELLE.
Okay.
Or if you just check anything when you want to know about me on from my website, www.evelmusic.com.
Okay.
Because this one where you try to come, we don't call you times now, you don't come. It be like say one time she go dey very busy now. You go be like
We're not
ghost,
going to see him again. So which other things you go like make people know where they don't know about him?
I work on my album project right now.
Okay.
Yes, I work on my album project, and by the grace of God, before the end of the year.
Okay. Okay, okay. That's all. Now, those will all follow you for your handles, Twitter, Facebook, everything, Instagram.
First of all, I would like to say thank you, man. And I don't they push me, Tete. I'm not gonna lie you. This place where I did now, my fans, now them carry me reach here. And they can't believe it they get for me.
Now the kind of song we they sing, people like your music. People they call from Abuja, Nasarawa, all those Amfara time. So now your
So
music.
for my Instagram, if you go Evel Music, EVELLE Music.
Okay.
Twitter too, now the same thing, EVELLE Music, Evel Music.
Okay. Double toilet to all of now wake up from different parts of the world. Thank you. Those who send tweet messages, thank you very much. We'll go carry the video music, the music video of Evel, take finish today on top of the night show. I beg we'll go show a music video of Evel. Until tomorrow, on a good night. Double toilet to our producers and everybody waiting for the show. Thank you to Evel.